These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn in Spring Lake, North Carolina. These are Otis Series 5. Thought someone was going up. But yeah, these are Otis Series 5, and I filmed these elevators a long time ago, but they've renovated this Hampton and also added on to it. Here we are at 4. Now let's go down to 1. Like I said, the fixtures on the elevators are still the same. I think they may have renovated the cabs, and they have renovated the actual hotel and added on to it. I'll have to show that. But here we are back at 1. See, there's the regular part with the hallway and the lobby out there, and it used to end right here. See, there used to be a wall here, I believe, like most elevator lobbies, but now they've got another little lobby down there. But first, let me see if this elevator is working. Not sure if this one's on or not. Yep. This one has the back door. Take this one up to 4. These don't have the chimes on them. Here we are at 4. Now I'll go down to 1. Yeah, it's a nice elevator. There's the back door for housekeepers. Watch the button go out. Here we are back at 1. Now I'll take it up to 2. It's interesting how they have a little thing for digital guest service directory. They have that a lot in the rooms, like when at other hotels I've stayed at. I hadn't stayed at this one, but the other Hamptons I've stayed at have that in the rooms. And there it goes, and I guess laundry's on here, so let's see. This is the old hallway here, so we'll take a look at that like we usually do. And the guest laundry and the manpower elevator. The gas laundry. And then here's the man-powered elevator. Yeah, pretty typical man-powered elevator. So now I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go ahead and ride the man-powered elevator up, and then we'll go back down the hallway and look at the new part. So right now we're still in the original part that was originally here, and they have renovated this part of the hotel as well. And here we are up 4. And then that's up to the roof up there. Let's see if we come out here. Now we'll go back towards the elevators. See, here's the elevators. And then let's see what's all out here, because now we're in the new part. So there's a mechanical room, that ice machine. And it looks like more rooms down here. And they got another man-powered elevator down here. Yep. And that's it.